Actually, so far as healthcare is concerned, I don't think that the world has found a single solution. If you think about United States, I think Mr. Obama is still struggling with what to bring his new healthcare program into place. If you are looking at UK, they are still struggling with the National Health Service to make it work. So there are no perfect solutions available to supply affordable health care to the actually people who are needy and who are, I would say, if not the poverty line, just below the poverty line. If you look at India, really we have three kinds of problems. One problem, which is, I would say, one end of the spectrum, is a question of drug delivery. Now, we pride ourselves in being the largest generic manufacturer in the world, but the quality of the drugs is extremely poor. We are seeing that the United States is complaining about a lot of generic drugs supplied by the country. A number of our drugs have been stopped in Europe, etc. We can see that that the quality of the drugs is extremely poor. And therefore, we need to have some self-regulation to improve the quality of the drugs we produce. We need to have a better monitoring of the kind of drugs that are dispensed in the pharmacies and to take control of spurious drugs. This is very, very important. Every state and every drug inspector knows where the spurious drugs come from, and it's very easy if there is a will to stop it. So this is one end, the drug delivery. If the drugs are effective, then certainly overall the clinical diagnosis will ensure that there is improvement in health. The second step is how to deliver these drugs to the public health centers where they become available. Tamil Nadu has a very good system. Tamil Nadu system of public health delivery is actually considered a model for the rest of the states. And it's considered a model because there is a separation from medical education to health services, and the Director General of Health Services is in charge of all the primary health centers, of the district centers, etc. And his job is only to ensure that these centers work. A separate institution, a separate hierarchy. Supply is through the government, drugs are supplied through the government. And luckily, Tamil Nadu being highly an urbanized state, the people are also vociferous. So in the sense that if the drug is not available, if the doctor is not available, they are able to immediately complain to their MLAs, to their local councillors or their mayors or municipal chairmen. And therefore, there is a public pressure on making sure that these things work. So this is I would call the second step. But this is primary health care. At the next step, the referral cases, again we are very poor. It's a referral stage where, because we don't have adequate specialty hospitals, because specialty hospitals require investment. Investment not only in equipment, investment in people. And apart from the big towns like Chennai, Coimbatore or Bangalore or whatever, there are no possibilities of having smaller town facilities which are available. So I think this is an area government should focus on. One announcement that I heard is that every state will have an All India Institute of Medical Sciences. I think it's a great announcement. I think it sets up the standards for the whole state wonderfully. But beyond that, I think we should go to tier 2, tier 3 cities and say that we should have at least a 100-bedded hospital in every town that is more than 1 lakh, or let us say if that is not possible, at least 2 lakhs. And that 100-bedded hospital should be manned by professional people. It's possible. And that kind of an expenditure, instead of simply saying we'll improve GDP expenditure to 3% or 2% on health, I think we'd focus on setting up a large number of hospitals. And some of these can also be through private-public partnership. The private sector can either, give the land or put up the building, and the government can run the hospital. That is also possible. So several kind of alternatives are there. So a combination of better drugs, better drug deliveries, and improvement of the tertiary centers would certainly help to solve the health problem.